The long-anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro has officially landed though, unfortunately, not everywhere. Due to current trade restrictions and potential bans, users in the United States may not be able to get their hands on one just yet. But for the rest of the world, DJI's newest flagship drone represents a significant leap forward in aerial technology. From its cutting-edge triple-lens camera setup to improved flight endurance, smarter subject tracking, and a beefed-up signal system, this isn't just a routine upgrade, it feels like a whole new playbook. For those already familiar with the Mavic 3 Pro, the new model keeps the same foldable design and sleek Mavic aesthetic, but refines it with subtle enhancements. It's a bit heavier thanks to a larger battery and more complex camera module, but most users will appreciate the added capabilities. A major design highlight is the new Infinity gimbal, which has a more rounded shape and offers expanded articulation. It supports a wide range of tilt angles and allows for true vertical shooting, which is a big win for creators focused on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Another improvement is the drone's more aerodynamic frame. The arms now fold in any sequence, making setup quicker and more convenient, a small but welcome quality of life change. DJI also launched a redesigned controller, the RC2 Pro, which might be the most user-friendly and powerful controller they've made. It boasts a bright 7-inch HDR display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits and automatically adapts when switching to vertical shooting. It includes a built-in microphone for audio capture, an HDMI output, and Wi-Fi 6 for lightning-fast file transfers. It runs on Android, which opens the door for sideloading third-party apps, though it doesn't support Google Play directly. The showpiece of the Mavic 4 Pro is undoubtedly its triple camera system. The main camera is a Hasselblad branded 28mm equivalent with a large for third sensor, capable of capturing stills up to 100 megapixels and 6000 video at 60 fps. With a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f11, it allows for real creative control, especially in low-light situations. It supports advanced profiles like DLOG, VLOG-M, and HELG, providing up to 16 stops of dynamic range, ideal for post-production. Supporting the main lens are two additional cameras, a 70mm medium telephoto lens with a 48MP sensor, and a 168mm zoom lens with a 50MP sensor. While they don't quite reach the main camera's performance, especially in darker settings, they still offer solid quality and support the same professional color profiles. These options give creators more tools for storytelling, portrait work, and capturing distant subjects. In low-light scenarios like night cityscapes, the drone handles noise well thanks to dual native ISO sensors. Dropping image resolution can further help minimize grain. For video, VLOG-M offers a great balance of editability and dynamic range. Flight performance is top tier. DJI is known for smooth and stable controls, and the Mavic 4 Pro feels closer to the professional grade Inspire 3 than any Mavic before it. It reaches speeds up to 56 miles per hour in sport mode and maintains excellent stability even in winds nearing 27 miles per hour. Battery life has also seen a significant boost, officially rated at 51 minutes, with real-world results ranging from about 37 to 45 minutes, depending on conditions. Charging is quick too, around 51 minutes per battery, or 90 minutes to charge 3 with the Fly More kit. Another practical upgrade, files can now be transferred without powering on the drone, with the Creator Combo offering a hefty 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Obstacle avoidance has gotten smarter and more capable in dim environments. The drone uses a combination of omnidirectional fisheye cameras and a front-facing LiDAR sensor that can function in light levels as low as moonlight. It can even find its way back without GPS by creating a real-time visual map. Dynamic home point means it can adjust its return location based on the controller's movement, perfect for tracking vehicles or other moving subjects. ActivaTrack 360 handles subject tracking with precision, avoiding obstacles while letting you reposition the drone or gimbal mid-shot. It's not flawless. One test saw it nick a branch, but the footage was still impressive. DJI's new O4 Plus transmission system extends range dramatically up to 30 kilometers. While no one is likely to fly that far, the payoff is stronger, more reliable signal quality and a crystal clear 1080p, 10-bit HDR live feed. It reduces interference and gives users more confidence in challenging environments. There are a few drawbacks. The biggest for now is the drone's limited availability in the US. There's no confirmed release date or pricing for the US market, and the political situation remains uncertain. Another limitation: ProRes is no longer supported. The Sign edition of the Mavic 3 Pro featured ProRes 422 HQ, but that's missing here. Instead, users get high by Trade H to 6.4 all Intra at 200 amps. While still good for editing, it doesn't match ProRes workflows. Additionally, the 168mm telephoto camera, though useful, doesn't produce images as sharp or vibrant as the other two. Also, due to its size and limited maneuverability, the Mavic 4 Pro isn't ideal for indoor flying or tight spaces. No prop guards are included either. Pricing starts around $360. The Fly More combo, at about $340, includes extra batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. Well worth it for extended use. The Creator combo, which goes for around $40, includes the high-capacity storage and premium RTWO Pro controller. All told, the Mavic 4 Pro feels like more than just an iteration, it's a reinvention. DJI has drawn on its experiences with the Mini, Air, and Inspire lines to build a drone that packs pro-level visuals, elite flying performance, and advanced safety into a foldable body. For filmmakers and content creators outside the US, this drone is a standout. And for those in the US, it's worth watching and waiting because this might just be the most capable consumer drone ever released.